Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Sagittarius. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy. This is the card, guys, for your career situation. I'll be picking one card, and for your relationship, and one card from the oracle guidance. So this is a general guidance that we can follow to make things go in a better way, Sagittarius. So one card from this guidance deck, guys. So this is the card here. So let us turn the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. First, for your daily energy, Page of Swords. So with this card in our situation today, this may relate to our career situation or personal life situation. You are a person who is honest and truthful, and you are not afraid to tell the truth, whatever the situation may be. And you are a very practical and logical person. So whatever path you take up, you think deeply and clearly whether it is possible for you to move in that particular direction, and then you make that choice. So that is what makes you successful and happy today, guys. That is what I see with this card. So for your career situation, guys, let us see what is the card here. It's Six of Cups in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your career situation, this may be in your situation today, guys, with the people whom you are working with. You may feel that certain choices or certain paths or certain projects or deals, whatever that was suspended or delayed in some ways, so that may be reviving again, and that may be coming towards you. So some kind of renewal, maybe of past projects or some successful venture which you felt of the past which had delayed or stalled, that is reviving, guys. So something you can be happy about, Sagittarius. That is what I see. Maybe some plans which you had which you were unable to move forward with, that is progressing towards manifestation, guys. So that is what I see with that card. So for your relationship, what is the card? It's Ten of Cups. So with this card, I see that you have that happiness in your situation today, guys. Contentment and joy today. Things are going in a very positive way, and you feel happy for it. You have that emotional satisfaction, fulfillment and contentment today. So you enjoy that peacefulness, bliss and intimacy and harmony with this person. That is what I see with this card, Sagittarius. So let us see what is your oracle guidance for today. Time to go. So this card is an oracle guidance, guys. So this card just may answer some questions we have in our situation. So this just means that when we feel that in our heart of hearts certain things that may not work, we need to walk away. So when we feel that we cannot do anything, we cannot learn anything, or we cannot experience anything from that circumstance or people or something, we need to walk away, and we need to learn to walk away. So that is what this card is about. So the same way in our relationship, when we are in a connection with this person, when you feel that you are of no service to that person, or that person is of no service to you, and you don't have that understanding, and you are just drifting away from each other, you have to just think within yourself that it is time for you to let it go. So if it comes back, if that person comes back to you, it just means that this person is meant to be in this life with you. But if they do not come back, what do? It just means that this connection is not meant to be. So that is the reason they are not there in this connection with you guys. The same way in our work situation also, when certain things, even when you have put in maximum efforts in your work situation, certain projects that come to an end, you are not able to do anything in that situation. You have to give up that what is not working out for you guys. Stop making that efforts and plan for the next future steps, what you need to do in future to reach that success. So that is the oracle guidance, guys, to let go of that sadness or sorrow for what that is not working and have faith and hope in the future. So that is the guidance for your Sagittarius. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.